This demo showcases how LinkFinder AI helps you find LinkedIn profile URLs using email addresses. It highlights the tool's ability to enrich data and streamline your contact research process. The first field here is going to be an email address. We select the type for the input field accordingly. We specify the input type as email address to ensure accurate data processing. For the output type, select LinkedIn profile URL to fetch the corresponding profile link. Confirm the output type as LinkedIn profile URL to retrieve the desired information. Here, enter an email address to begin the lookup process. Enter your email address in the field, for example, bill.gates@microsoft.com. Click on Enrich Data to start fetching the LinkedIn profile URL associated with the email address. The tool displays the profile data found for the entered email address, including the LinkedIn profile URL. Click on the High Confidence indicator to verify the accuracy of the retrieved profile URL. Confirm that the LinkedIn profile URL is provided with high accuracy and confidence. To perform bulk enrichment, click on Upload CSV Bulk to process multiple email addresses at once. Click Select File to choose your CSV file containing the list of email addresses for enrichment. Click on Not Found to review any email addresses that could not be matched with LinkedIn profiles. Click Process for items to start enriching the batch of email addresses in your CSV file. Click Email Address to filter and view results based on the email input field. Click All Results High Confidence only to display only the most accurate LinkedIn profile matches. Fill the filter to show only results with high confidence for better reliability. Click here to access export options for your enriched data results. Click API Access to explore how to integrate LinkFinder AI with your applications. Click here to open the API documentation for detailed integration instructions. Click B2B Data Lookup to find professional email addresses from LinkedIn profile URLs. Click Find a person's professional email address from their LinkedIn profile URL to view the API call details. Click LinkedIn Profile to Email to select the API endpoint for email lookup from LinkedIn profiles. Click Email to LinkedIn URL to find LinkedIn profile URLs from email addresses using the API. Click the example curl command showing how to use the API with your authorization key and data payload. Click the sample email address to understand the input format for the API call. Click the sample email address again to confirm the example input for the API request. LinkFinder AI simplifies finding LinkedIn profile URLs from email addresses, enabling both single and bulk data enrichment. You can also integrate this functionality via API to automate your contact research efficiently. Try LinkFinder AI today to enhance your data enrichment workflow.